rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Jingle bell.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm the Queen of Christmas Lights. Welcome to the North Pole. Today we're going to talk about bows. At Kingdom Christmas Lights, we have a new product. Our bows in previous years did not last through the season. Towards the end, they started turning little colors, but we found a great product that should last you 3 seasons. So our first bow is a 12-inch bow. This is great for your residential garland, your smaller wreaths, or just on your columns. Our next bow is an 18-inch bow, and this would look lovely on a 24 or 36-inch wreath. All of our bows have these nice strong wires on the back so they can be attached to anything that you feel that you want to decorate. Our next bow, which I think is the most universal bow, is our 24-inch bow. This would be great on your commercial garland or commercial decor. It goes on your 36-inch wreath, your 48-inch wreath. It might be a little small for your 60-inch wreath, but if that's your style, this is the bow for you. They also have the grommets on the bottom so they can be attached to your wreath so it doesn't flap in the wind. Now, if you like something a little more spicy, we have this 30-inch bow. This is great on the 36-inch wreath, on the commercial decor, or maybe a column. It'd be really beautiful on it. But if you would rather have something really big like we do at Kingdom Christmas Lights, just behind me we have the 48-inch bow. This is big and beautiful, also with the grommets, and the tails are beautifully long. Now, if you're interested in our bows, you can give us a call at 346-291-4492. You can also check us out online, and that's kingdomchristmaslights.com. And don't forget, your Christmas experience starts here.